So students, in this video we are discussing about the structure of the chloroplast. So these are the green plastids which are found in the mesophyll cells of the leaves. This contains the chlorophyll pigment which is green in color. The shape of the chloroplast vary from species to species, that is the lens shaped, oval, spherical, ribbon like. The number of chloroplast which is present inside the cell, it also varies from species to species, like 1 per cell of the Chlamydomonas. Now let's see the structure of the chloroplast. So this is a diagram of the chloroplast. So this is the double membrane bound structure, the outer membrane, the inner membrane. The inner membrane is relatively less permeable. Only the few substances can pass through this membrane. The flat membranous like structure is present, is called the thylakoids. These are called the thylakoids. This is the flat membrane like structure is present in the stroma region. The green portion, the light green portion, the region is called the stroma. The thylakoids are arranged in the stacks like piles of the coins. एक के ऊपर एक रखे रहते हैं. Is called the structure which is called as grana. The long tubular like structure called the stroma lamellae. This is the structure, the long tube like structure, the stroma lamella. And this stroma lamella are connecting the thylakoids of different grana. Means ये जितने भी पाइल्स होते हैं ग्रेना के और थाइलाकोइड्स स्ट्रक्चर होता है, इनको आपस में कनेक्ट करता है द स्ट्रोमल lamella. And the green portion which is known as the stroma, it contains the enzyme, very important enzymes for the synthesis of proteins and carbohydrates. Now the very important feature of this chloroplast is the small double stranded circular DNA is present. So due to the presence of this DNA inside the chloroplast structure, they are considered as a semi-autonomous cell organelle. And also the ribosomes are present, which are smaller in size, that is of 70S type than the cytoplasmic ribosome of the eukaryotic cell. The starch granules are present, the lipid droplets are present. The important function of thylakoids is that it contains the chlorophyll pigment. The chlorophyll pigment are present inside this thylakoid. So this chlorophyll pigment are responsible for trapping the light energy or the sunlight, which is essential for the process of photosynthesis to be done. So this is all about the structure of the chloroplast and these terms. Thank you, class.